Tough grade copper-infused ceramic cookware set. Non-stick and scratch-resistant cooking surface. Oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. PFOA and PFTE free for your safety. 10-piece set includes 8-inch fry pan, 10-inch fry pan with lid, 1.5 quart sauce pot with lid, 2.5 quart sauce pot with lid, 6 quart sauce pot with lid, and aluminum steamer insert. Included components: Cookware-Sets. Top reviews from the United States. Read the directions and season the pan first. I bought 10 skillet first at Kohl's first to try out. Now remember, to season pan first like the directions say. So far I haven't had any issues. So bought the 10-piece set. So I love it. Again, just remember to read directions first and do not use metal utensils in them. Simple. Nothing is scratch-proof, so don't be stupid and try that crap the commercial does. And I think you will have a nice set for a while. Very happy with my set. But then again, I am a single dad living alone with no crazy woman using a metal fork to stir stuff with. So treat it well and it will treat you well. Oh, one other thing, one of my biggest concerns was, do the handles get hot? Well, not enough to need a pot holder. I was surprised. They get warm but not hot. But when you put them in oven, yes, you need oven mitt, so don't forget. Or you will get burned. Oh, and if you want to flip eggs without spatula, butter generously your pan first and you'll be a flipping fool. 4 eggs at one time is my record, no broken yolk. Just can't seem to get 5. Best wishes, happy cooking. Okay, it's now March 2022, my pans are still going strong. No issues. I still follow the directions and reseason the pans as needed. And no, I repeat, no metal utensils. I use bamboo or plastic. So far still great set of pots and pans for me. Best wishes.